Hello everyone, welcome to this new video on bold reports. In this video, you will learn why pixel-perfect reporting is making a comeback and why many modern BI stacks still struggle when you need compliance-ready and print-ready paginated reports. Have you ever exported a BI dashboard to PDF and the spacing changed, the table wrapped differently, or the header shifted? Pixel-perfect reports are the solution because the layout is fixed, page-based, and designed to render consistently in PDF and print. In this video, we'll build a pixel-perfect product sales details report in bold reports and export it to PDF with the same layout you designed, plus a quick example of changing page setup without rebuilding the report. Let's get started. First, create a new report and name it. You'll also need to create a data source. Name it. And add the necessary details. Then create a new dataset. Drag and drop the table into the query editor. And save it. Add a header. And remove the footer in the report. Then add a rectangle to the header. Resize it. And set a background color. Add a title to the report. And customize the size, style, and alignment. Then, add the table to display the product details. Add necessary columns. And add table titles. Next, configure data fields in the table. Add expressions. And format the column fields. Add one more row to calculate the total price. Customize the table by changing font size, style, and alignment. Finally, preview it and verify the layout of the report. You can export reports to various formats like PDF, Excel, Word, HTML, PowerPoint, and CSV. I'll export to PDF for this example, and you can see that its layout matches the report we just made. Select Print in the toolbar to print a copy of the report. Bold Reports provides page setup options to dynamically change paper size, margins, and orientation. I'll change the paper size to legal. Change the orientation. Apply it. And click Print Layout option in the toolbar. You can also change page margins and orientation. In this video, you've learned how to create and design a pixel-perfect product details report using Bold Reports. To learn more about Bold Reports, visit boldreports.com. If you don't have a Bold Report subscription, you can sign up for a free 30-day trial using the Try It Free option. If you prefer a demo from an expert, Request Demo allows you to schedule one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on Bold Reports.